Hey guys, my name's Sam from the YouTube channel Prep Medic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a sling and a swath for an upper extremity injury. So a sling is just a piece of fabric that's meant to support an arm that's been injured. This can be a radius ulna fracture, humerus fracture, shoulder problem, or clavicle. It's oftentimes supplemented by a splint and just helps that hold it into the body so that it's not moving around causing more pain. A swath is another piece of cloth that goes around the body and holds that in, just keeps this kind of movement from happening. So to actually make a sling and a swath, you're going to need triangular bandages. So these are cravats. These ones were pre-made. You can make these yourself out of bed sheets as well. You can just get the dimensions from online. So the first thing to do is to identify the one odd out triangle edge. You're going to take this and we're going to tie a knot in this. So this will be a support for the elbow as we're trying to rest that in the sling. Now both of these ends are going to be the straps that go around the head. So I'm going to have the patient take their arm and hold it in a position of comfort. Usually they'll like this up on their body. This is kind of guarding, it's self-splinting, and we're going to try to put this right in this position. So obviously when we're doing this, it's good to have more than one person doing it. However, because I'm alone, I'm going to elicit some help from the patient just so that I'm not moving around any more than necessary. So for this, I'm going to bring this guy up under that. You can encompass the wrist or not, depending what the injury is. Just make sure you always have access to that hand. Now we have two ends, and I'm going to get this guy right underneath the elbow, and I'm going to take both of these ends, and now we're going to go on either side of the patient, tie it behind their neck. So if you want to turn around here really quick. So back here, we can tie this just so it's supporting the arm. I don't want to be wrenching this up, pulling this out of position, and we're going to tie it. Now you get style points if you can tie a square knot back here, but I oftentimes forget to do that. It's just a little